Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add the fixed cell into an existing grid set on Grid for iPad. Make sure you're online, your software's up to date, and then go into your settings and make sure that under data control your online AI tools are enabled. Once you've done that, we go into Edit Grids. And here in edit mode, I'm going to make some space for the fixed cell, and I'm going to position it to the right-hand side of the chat writing area. So we want to create a cell, and then I'm going to select Show More, search for Fix, and add it in there. Now we just want to update the styling so that it matches the rest of your grid set. And finish editing. Now let's try it out. And there you can see how Fix corrects your sentence. For more ways to use Fix, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.